right, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. Suspension feels good, shifts nice and smooth. Brakes feel nice. When you apply the brakes, the steering wheel doesn't shake or anything. It really just drives like a brand new vehicle. Okay, we're going to do a quick visual condition report looking for chips, scuffs, scratches, little cosmetic imperfections. Here on the front right wheel, that looks amazing. I don't see any curb rash. These calipers are a really cool gray color. And right here on the flare, we have a rock chip and then one on that bumper edge. Looks perfect. That A-pillar looks amazing. Side mirror looks good. Making our way down the door. I see one chip right there in the paint. That door looks good. Fender flare looks perfect. I don't see any other flaws here. Got the gloss black trim, gloss black roof rails. Then here on this wheel looks perfect. Then looking at the front end, got a rock impact here. Little chip there, small one there. Couple small imperfections here and there from those little rock impacts. Hood looks good. You're gonna see just a few little impacts every once in a while. Some of them chipped the paint, some of them did not. It's very minor, and you have to get super, super close to see any of them. Got one right here. Then looking at this fender, that looks perfect. I don't see any curb rash on the wheel. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar's perfect. That door looks good, as well as the back left here. Quarter panel looks good. I don't see, then looking at this wheel, there's some really minor curb rash right there. That's an easy repair. Then looking at the back, here on the upper section, all of that looks good. I see a little chip here, a couple scratches, a few minor scuffs just on that edge, a couple chips there. And I see a few scratches on the plastic right there. Everything else though looks perfect. Here in the cargo area, all this carpet looks amazing. Got the cargo shade cover here. Really not much to pick apart back here. This all looks good. Looking at the engine bay, lots of plastic here. All of it looks really clean. And the underside of the hood looks good. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it looks amazing. All of this looks absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws. Got the memory seating. All that gloss black looks good. Kick plate area looks perfect. That bolster looks awesome. Here on the bottom, you have a little circle. Maybe something was sitting on there. Put a little indentation. I imagine that might go out over time. Steering wheel looks good. I don't see any flaws on it. All these buttons look amazing. Now with this gloss black around here, you're going to have some very minor surface scuffs. I don't see any scratches or anything like that. Besides that, this side looks perfect. Here on the front right door panel, all of that looks absolutely perfect. I don't see any flaws. Kick plate looks good. Floor mats are nice and clean. That bolster looks brand new. I don't see any wear. These seats look awesome. All of this is perfect. Underside looks good. I don't see any flaws on this side of the vehicle. The back right door panel looks good. Kick plate area is perfect. Seat backs look amazing. These seats look really good. Massive panoramic roof. There's really not much to pick apart on this side.